Hello and welcome to another episode of Storware Academy. My name is Paweł Piskorz and I am pre-sales engineer at Storware. Today, installation method all in one. Let's do it together. Best way to start installing Storware in your environment is to open our documentation. Link, of course, in the comments below. Where to start? Deployment. Component requirements, because you need to create a virtual machine inside your hypervisor. Doesn't matter what hypervisor type you are using, just create a VM with these parameters. For the starter, all-in-one installation, a server and node running on the same virtual machine, I advise you to start with 8 CPU, 10 GB of RAM and at least 2 drives. The first one for the binaries, and second one could be used as a staging space as well as a backup destination. Later, install on it one of supported operating system. And then, when the machine with the OS is ready, go into installation, find from the list quick installation using all-in-one script, and here you have ready to be used one-liner. So, through the SSH as a root, install to the newly created virtual machine, copy link from the documentation, and let me open mine. I'm ready to use a server. Alright, let me quickly zoom a bit in and execute a script. First command, what you need to provide is a password for your administrator. Okay, second question, you need to provide a password for a database. And basically, relax, grab your coffee, and wait. Installation will be made automatically. Okay, looks like our server and node are already there, so let's quickly check what is IP on that virtual machine, and let's see. So browser, do not forget HTTPS at the beginning, and provide IP of newly installed Storware Backup and Recovery instance. Alright, so my UI is ready. Let me quickly log into, by default, login and password. Okay, so just for you guys, now server is ready to be used. Do not forget upload a license and you can ready to protect your environment. Of course, license. So the best way to download license is to visit our website storware.eu or contact with us directly. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in another episode.